Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Case is split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, before I put the fuel tank on, I'll put the spark plug back in. This is the temperature sensor. That I have. It just goes up to this here. It gives me RPM, which is this is a purple wire that wraps around the top of the spark plug, and it's through induction. It counts the firings, so it can give me an RPM because the bike doesn't have one. And this one also goes up, and you can push it, and it gives you the cylinder temperature as well. So that just sits under the spark plug like that. It's funny, but they make a spark plug socket, but it's not long enough. I'll have to look for another socket. Okay, this one has a bit of a retainer so it doesn't drop all the way to the bottom. And it's also magnetic to help pull a spark plug out if you're deep inside like a V8 a valley or something. So okay, they're all connected, not rubbing. And so I'll do the fuel tank next.